unfortunately kind of getting to the end of our little drive here. I just want to kind of wrap this thing up and say, hey, if you guys found this course informational at all, feel free to leave a review. I will get back to you, respond to the review either way. Really appreciate 5-star reviews. They do great for this, or even 4 stars are great. One thing I'll really quickly add, I wish this, I mean, obviously this whole course is me driving, so it's not going to be perfect. I wish I could add pictures and graphs, but I just had to get this information out to you really quick because we're in the rumblings of a bull run, and I don't want anybody to miss out on that. So I do have 2 other cryptocurrency courses up. This is actually my 16th Udemy course, so feel free to check those out. I have we do cooking courses, we do a lot of how-to courses. A lot of my courses are kind of just me in front of a camera teaching you from studies that subjects that I've learned. I don't do a whole lot of collab videos, and if you have a question about anything, feel free to leave it in the Q&A, and I will get back to you usually within the same day. 3 business days absolutely tops. And like I said, the one of the things, and I should probably put this on a shirt, is the people that invest in crypto today are the future rock stars of the 2020s. And that's something that I've stood by for a long time and will continue to stand by, because crypto has not let me down yet. And I don't expect it to for quite a while, if at all ever. I'm going to be continuing to do crypto videos on this, crypto courses on Udemy, because we're really in it. Like I'm saying, there's information out there, but there's not a lot of information out there. There's information from people that haven't invested, and what we need is people to put information out who are heavily invested and have been in the space more than a few months. That's what we need, and that's what I'm doing here. So if you like this kind of content, feel free to stay tuned for more. I have most of all my courses are free. I feel like there's people shouldn't have to pay for extremely great content. And feel free to tell a friend about my Udemy channel station here. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed rest of your day. Bye.